Okay, get ready. We'll start now. It's already the time. So we'll start with our routine. We'll start with loosening up the joints. So rotate your neck from right to left slowly. Up, breathe in, down, breathe out. Up, breathe in, down, breathe out. One more time. Up, breathe in, down, breathe out. Left, right. Up, breathe in, down, breathe out. Up, breathe in, down, breathe out. One more time. Up, breathe in, down, breathe out. Shoulders back. Forward. Arms forward. Arms backward. Hands on your shoulder forward. Backward. Okay, elbows up and down. Rotate your elbows in one direction. Change direction. Your wrists in one direction. Change direction. Your fingers, your thumb. Hands on your waist. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Head and feet still and pivot your waist around it. Other way around. Okay, hands on your knees and clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Okay, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Now outside in. Okay, stand up, right leg up, rotate ankles in one direction, change direction, up, down, sideways, change leg, rotate ankles, change direction, up, down, sideways. That's it. Shake your body and we'll start jogging slowly. So just start jogging. Arm movements, leg movements. Breathe in, breathe out through your nose. Increase the speed. High knees. Heels back. Normal jogging. Alternate arms and legs. Side twister. Jumping. Return forward skipping. Backwards skipping. Jumping. Star jump. Slow down. Check your legs. We'll do Savasana, breathe in. So fists together, arms, palms on your side. Deep breathe in. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, arms up. On your toe, hold. Breathe out. One more time, deep breathe in. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, arms up. On your toe, hold. Breathe out. Okay, we'll do Satat Yoga. Left section, right section, both section and up, and continuous of all four. Okay. सतत योग प्रकार एक करो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 13 14 15 16 left right both up left right both up check your legs hands together arms up breathe in down breathe out up breathe in down breathe out okay we'll do wood chopper breath everybody knows 10 to 12 times at your own pace. So you can bend your knees when you come down. Exhale through your mouth. Start. Hold your breath for some time. Relax. And we'll do the pumping one, Bhastrika. So face on your side. Arms up, breathe in and down, breathe out with only your nose now. Start. When you're done, just relax. Relax, our body is now nicely stretched. Warmed up, we'll do some stretching now. So breathe in, neck up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Back to front, left, front, right, front, tilt to left side, front to right side, arms across, stretch, change, stretch, right arm up, push from elbow, hold your hands, change, left arm up, push from elbow, hold it back, sideways 4 times, 8 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll go back. So breathe in, breathe out to right, breathe in front, to left, front, right, front, left. One more time, front, right, front, left. Okay, spread your legs. Shoulder the length of your feet, legs basically. Yeah, right hand touching left and left hand right. 8 times. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretch on right side. Stretch. And left side. Stretch. Try to touch in front, in middle, back, then left. Hold your left ankle. The right. Again middle and then go back. The last ones. Get your right leg in front. Bend your back leg. Hold your big toe. Stretch your calf muscles, hamstring, touch the forehead, touch the floor, and then sweep the floor. Get a bit further forward, hands on the floor, forehead on your front knee. Stretch nicely. Breathe in up, change. Left leg in front. Hold your big toe first. Stretch nicely. Touch the floor, then sweep the floor. Your left leg further forward. Touch the floor, forehead on your front knee. Relax. Okay, relax. We'll go to Surya Namaskar. I'll just put the music on. You can just keep breathing out, or just get into ready position. We'll keep the camera already in ready position. So everybody in Arama. Surya Namaskar Sthiti. एक, दो, तीन. ध्येय सदा सवितृमण्डलमध्यवर्ती नारायण सरसिजा सनसन्निविष्टा केयूरवान् मकरकुण्डलवान् किरीटी हारी हिरण्मय वपुर्धृतशङ्खचक्रः ॐ मित्राय नमः. Okay, we'll start. Breathe in, egg, go up. Breathe out, down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, Namaskarasan. Om Ravaye Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Breathe in, right leg in front. Breathe out, left leg in front. Breathe in, Namaskarasan. Om Suryaya Namaha. Ek, breathe in. Do, breathe out. Teen, breathe in. Char, breathe out. Hold your breath. 5, breathe in. 6, breathe out. 7, breathe in. 8, breathe out. 9, breathe, and 10, breathe in. Om Bhanave Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, right leg back. Breathe out, left leg back. Hold your breath. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Right leg in front, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, back to Namaskarasan. Om Khagaya Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, back to Namaskarasan. Om Pushne Namaha. Ek, breathe in. 2, breathe out. 3, breathe in. 4, breathe out. 5, hold your breath. 6, breathe in. 7, breathe out. 8, breathe in. 9, breathe out. 10, breathe in. Normal, breathe in, breathe out. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Left leg back. Breathe in. Right leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in. Cobra. Breathe out. Downward dog. Left leg in front. Breathe in. Right leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Namaskarasan. Om Marichaye Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Right leg back. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in. Cobra. Breathe out. Downward dog. Breathe in. Right leg in front. Breathe out. Left leg in front. Breathe in. Back to Namaskarasan. Om Adityaya Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Left leg back. Breathe in. Right leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in. Cobra. Breathe out. Downward dog. Left leg in front. Breathe in. Right leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Back to Namaskarasan. Om Savitre Namaha. Breathe in up. Durdvasan. Breathe out. Utthanasan. Breathe in. Ekapada Prasanasana. Breathe out. Chaturanga Dandasan. Hold your breath. Ashtanga Namaskarasan. Breathe in. Bhujangasan. Breathe out. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in. Ekapada Prasanasana. Breathe out. Padahastasana. Breathe in. Namaskarasan. Om Arkaya Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Left leg back. Breathe in. Right leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Downward dog. Left leg in front. Breathe in. Right leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Namaskarasan. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Right leg back. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in. Cobra. Breathe out. Go back all the way. Right leg in front. Breathe in. Left leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Namaskarasan. Now the 13th one. Breathe in. Go. Breathe in. Go up. Breathe out. Down. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe out. Right leg back. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in. Up. Cobra. Breathe out. Downward dog. Left leg front. Breathe in. Right leg front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Back to Namaskarasan. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Relax. We'll do next 11. Maybe with the video. I'll try to keep the sound of the video low. Hopefully. So we'll start now. I'll share it. Just get ready, I stop this music. So I'll try to say the count. I will do from front so that I can keep an eye on the counts as well. So get ready now. We'll do at least 36 together. So yeah. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Then breathe in up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Then breathe in up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe in. Go up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Go up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Start. Breathe in. Go up. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start. 24 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, just rest for 30 seconds. I'll stop the video. Hope you are able to manage the speed. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, when you are relaxing, just keep breathing in, breathing out. We'll do 12 more. I think today we are doing it early. That's good. Okay, come back into position and I will start. You breathe out first and then breathe in and start with 25th one. So left leg will go. Remember, odd is left, even is right. So for your just information. Okay, get ready. Okay, Start. Breathe in up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. This will be 30th one. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out and then go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. 36 one. Go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And then normal breathing. And then I'll stop the sharing. I think that's 36 is good. Back. I'm back. Now just relax. We'll do ending shlok. You can be in namaskar. Adityasya namaskaran ये कुर्वन्ति दिने दिने आयु प्रज्ञा बलं वीर्यं तेजस्तेषां च जायते. Rama, ek, two, three. Relax. Relax for 30 seconds. Today we'll do Surya Namaskar Vinyasa. So you know the 10 step that we did Surya Namaskar. We'll do in that 10, 30 steps. Different pose. We'll see how many we can do. Maybe 1 or 2 cycles in different ways. Something that I like as well. So yeah, get ready. If you want, you can drink water. Start up. Okay. So I will also send you the link. I think if you don't have the link for updating your Surya Namaskar account, the date field is not date of birth. The date is the date on which you did the Surya Namaskar. Okay. So everybody, hope you're back now. We'll do some Surya Namaskar Vinyasa. So start with Namaskarasana again. Okay. So ek, go up. Now while you're up, do Tadasana. Lock your fingers. Straight your body. Stretch up. First left. Stretch left. Back to front. To right. Stretch right. Go back to ek again. Breathe out. Do. Touch the floor. Now lift up your left leg up. Standing split. Get it up as much you can. Get support of your hands on the floor. Forehead close to your knee. Left leg down. Lift right leg up. Up. Again. Forehead close to your knee, which is on which you are standing. Down. I'll put the camera down now for next poses because then. So we'll start with left leg back. Okay, look up. This is a regular position. Now we'll do pigeon pose. So keep your right leg down if you can, parallel to the mat. Just have a look. Hands in front. Breathe in, breathe out down. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Breathe in up. Now move this leg away from right side to left side if you can. Again go down if you can, or you can just stay where you were. Breathe out down. Breathe in up. Get it back. And then up. Back up. Okay, right leg back. Now here we'll do right hand up and left leg up. Okay. Change left hand and right leg up, down. Now again left hand, right hand and left leg and elbow to knee. Elbow to knee. One more time. Elbow to knee. And then down, down, left hand now. Change your hand and leg. Elbow to knee. Up, elbow to knee. Up, go down now. Number 5, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. We'll do Shalabhasan. Hands under your belly. Breathe in up, legs up, heads up. Breathe out down. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. We'll do one more time. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Okay, hands on your side. Now we'll do Cobra. Breathe in, Cobra. Now we'll do 2 times push up, Cobra push up. So down, breathe out. Forehead on the floor. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Breathe in up. We'll go down. Breathe out down. Now hands get close to your chest, your solar plex, palms close to each other. Breathe in up, breathe out down, breathe in up, breathe out down. Okay, hands on the side. Now do proper cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Now lift up your right leg. Keep it straight first. Stay there. Three-legged dog. Then on your right side, hip openings. Open your hip. And now bend backward. Tail wagging dog. You can check my position. Your knee should be bent, the up knee. Then again up, hip opening, back to straight and down. Now left leg up, left leg up. Keep it straight first. Stretch. Then hip opening onto left side. And then tail wagging. Go back, up, straight, down. Now left leg will come forward, left leg forward between your hands. Number 3 and number 8. Now keep it down, parallel to the floor. This part, hands on the floor. Breathe out down, breathe in up, breathe out down, breathe in up. Now push it towards left if you can. Push it and then one more time down and up. Breathe out down, breathe in up. Get it back slowly on the floor. Right leg in front and then breathe in. Relax, relax. We'll do one more. We'll do only some of the ones, not all ones. So breathe in up, breathe out down. Now right leg back. Now this time get your left leg out. Lizard position. Your hands in front of your chest. Left leg is out. Okay. We'll do push up. Forehead down. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Breathe in up. Now get your left hand onto your left knee, the front knee, and push away and look onto right side. Push away. Slowly, slowly. Back to normal. Get your leg between your hands. Okay. Now left leg back. Here we'll just do some plank, side plank. So go on to right side. On your right arm, left hand. Raise if you can. Down, down, down. Other side. On your left side. Plank, side plank. Hands up. Leg up if you can. Down, down, down. Now 5. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Now chin. Touch your chin on the floor. Lift up your right leg up as much as you can. You can check. Yeah, lift up nicely. 3, 2, 1. Now support of the other leg onto your knee. You can check my position. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down, down. Left leg up, straight up first, easily. 3, 2, 1. Right leg support to the left leg on the knee. 3, 2, 1. Leg down, right leg down, left leg down. Breathe in, cobra. Now look onto left side, onto back. From left side, try to look at your heels. Tiriyak Bhujangasana. Front. Now to right side. From right side, look at your heels. Tiriyak Bhujangasana. Breathe out. Downward dog. Now we'll walk back towards your legs, hands walking back. So walk back, half forward fold, Go in front. Again, one more time, walk back, walk in front. Now we'll walk with legs in front, okay? Mountain climbing, go back. One more time, walk front with your legs and down. Okay, now right leg will come forward, then take it out of your hand, okay, outside your mat. Then do one, two push-ups, breathe out down, breathe in up, breathe out down, breathe in up. Now right hand onto your right knee, push your knee, your leg away from your body, and left side on left head on the left side. Push nicely, you should feel nice. Stretch onto your groin, join and hip joints. 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly, get it back. Come into number 9. Hold your hands back, lift up nicely. Dvikonasana, double angle pose. There are two cones, leg and arms, 90 degree. 3, 2, 1. Slowly hands touching the floor. We'll do forward fold easy. Bend your knees, relax your knees and calf muscle. Look in front. Come back again to forward fold. Hold your calf muscle. Pull yourself close to your chest, your knees. You can bend in your knee. Touch your tummy to your thighs, chest onto your knee, forehead below your knee, and stand up if you can. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in up. Namaskar Asana. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Hope you like this. You can sit down now, relax. We'll move on to our pranayam. If you want to drink water, just get some water. There were some of them an advanced one, and then you can feel, the difference. You must be feeling sweating as well, and nice. Okay, sit down. We'll start with sit down in Sukhasana. Dhyana Mudra, index finger forcing onto your thumb. Close your eyes, normal breathe in, breathe out. We'll do Pranav. Pranav is deep breathe in and deep breathe out for 5 seconds. Okay, so for 30 seconds, we'll do it. Start. Okay, next one we'll do Udgit, chanting of Omkar, U and Ma, all 6 syllables. So deep breathe in. Two more times. Last time, deep breathe in. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one we'll do Kapal Bhati. So deep breathe in to begin with, and then exhale continuously through your nose. So any blood pressure problem, don't do it. Or pregnant ladies or in a period, avoid it. You can do something else. The normal breathe in, breathe out. We'll do up to for 30 to 45 seconds. Start. Only thing moving is your tummy. No part of the body should be moving. When you are done, just relax. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one, Anulom Vilom, Nadi Shuddhi. So make a Vayu Mudra, index finger force onto your thumb. Right thumb, close your right nostril. Breathe in from your left. Middle finger, close your left nostril. Breathe out from your right, opening that. Breathe in from right. Close your right, open your left, and breathe out. We'll do 2 more times at our own pace. Always finish exhaling on left. Start. Okay. Normal breathe in, breathe out. The last one is Brahmari, humming sound, buzzing sound. So close your ears, your eyes, your mouth with all the fingers. Then breathe in, and while breathing out, say Om, but your mouth is closed, so you end up being We'll do 3 times at our own pace. Start. Mm. Slowly hands down, keep your eyes closed. I'll be saying the prayer for all Vishwa Prarthana. Just say that in your mind after me. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kachit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. In English, may all become happy, may all be free from illness, may all see what is auspicious, may no one suffer, let there be peace everywhere. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Raise your hands, brush your palms nicely, make them warm. Keep brushing till they become very warm. When they are warm enough, make a cup onto your face, onto your eyes, transfer the energy onto your face, massage your eyes with your fingers gently. Then forehead, massage your forehead nicely. Then side of the forehead, just above your ears and back of the neck. And then namaste. Open your eyes. Dhanyavad. I'll stop the music and I'll just turn on.